In the remote mountains of northern Iraq, there lives a people whose religion is older than Islam, older than Christianity, and yet few truly know who they are. These are the Yazidis, an ancient community, a peaceful people, and survivors of one of the most brutal genocides of the 21st century. The Yazidis are an ethno-religious group, mostly Kurdish-speaking, with roots that trace back thousands of years to the cradle of civilization, ancient Mesopotamia. Their religion, Yazidism, blends elements of Zoroastrianism, ancient Babylonian beliefs, Sufism, and other regional traditions. It is strictly monotheistic. Yazidis believe in one God who created the world and entrusted it to 7 holy beings, the most revered of them being Tammuz Melek, the peacock angel. Yazidism is not a religion of conversion. One must be born into it. Yazidis pray to the sun, celebrate their new year on Karsima Sor, Red Wednesday, and make pilgrimage to Laylish, their holiest site. They believe in reincarnation, purity laws, and a divine balance in nature. But sadly, their most sacred figure, Tammuz Melek, has often been misinterpreted by outsiders, leading to centuries of false accusations that Yazidis are devil worshippers. This misunderstanding has had deadly consequences. Persecuted under the Ottomans, neglected by modern regimes, in 2014, their suffering reached a horrific climax. ISIS launched a genocidal campaign in Sinjar, Iraq. Over 5,000 Yazidis were massacred. Thousands of women and girls were kidnapped, enslaved, and abused. The world finally took notice, too late for many. Yet, through unimaginable pain, the Yazidis endure. Today, many live in camps. Others have found refuge in Germany and beyond. But their culture, their songs, their prayers, all live on. They are rebuilding their homes, their shrines, and their future, brick by brick, soul by soul. The Yazidis are more than survivors. They are symbols of ancient wisdom, misunderstood faith, and human resilience. To know them is to understand a forgotten piece of humanity. If you believe in protecting heritage, culture, and human rights, share this story. And subscribe for more untold histories from around the world.